Good morning, all of you. We have started the chapter volcano, but most of you were asking about the question answer. So I'm leaving that chapter volcano. We will do in the month of July. Let us do the question answers now. The question answer which is given at the back, that is not enough for your examination, because the paper will come, the final paper will come from the board. So when the paper comes from the board, and also the 30 marks question will be objective question. So the questions are given which is at the back is not enough for examination. So then also let us do the question answer. You have to learn each and everything from your book. So because the objective question may come from the between also. So don't rely only the question answer which is given at the back. Let us do the question answer. First chapter we are going to do the question answer, the first chapter, that is why the earth is unique planet. The earth is unique planet in the solar system. It is only because of the presence of air, water and land. What you will write? The earth is a unique planet because only on the earth the air, water and the land is present, because it is a unique planet. Second question, what is the earth called a blue planet or the watery planet? Because one third of the earth is covered with the water, so it is known as a blue planet or the watery planet. What is a surface of the earth is made up of? It is made up of generally rock. It is made up from the rock. Name the planet that cannot support life. Give reason for your answer. Any planet, only Earth having a life. Rest any planet, you can name any planet like Mercury, rather than the Mercury. It is because no air, water and air present on that planet. State three factors that have made the life possible on the planet of the Earth, or the state the condition favor the life to exist on the Earth. Again, the air, water and land. That only you will write, and also you will explain why this is not found on the any other reason, only on the Earth's surface it was found. So that is possible. Now question 6. Name the various realms of the Earth. You will write lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Also you will make the diagram 1.3. That only you will write down hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Question 7. Why the shape of the earth described as a oblate spheroid? Why it was given? Because the poles of the earth is flat. Because the poles of the earth is flat, so it given the name as a oblate spheroid. Give to now 8. Give to proof about the shape of the earth. Two proof you have to give. That proof about the shape of the earth, which is given on page number 12, which is given on the page number 13. Sorry. First point, you see all the celestial bodies are spherical, that you can take, and after that you take aerial photograph. 2 points you have to, 3 points you take. The air photograph, the H point, and also we will take some of the very easy points so that you should learn. Sunrise and sunset. You will write the A point, D and H. These 3 points you write. It will be easier to learn. Proof. Ninth question. What is the significance of atmosphere on the earth as compared to the other planet? The earth atmosphere, write down. The earth atmosphere having all the important gases which is needed for the life to exist on the surface. Our atmosphere consists of the oxygen, which is very important for the plant animals, and also it having the carbon dioxide, which is very important for the green plants. It also having all other important gases like nitrogen, helium, argon, all important gases are formed. So the life is possible. Our atmosphere is also not very dense, not very thin, which makes the exact proportion of air to survive the life. The atmosphere is not very dense, not very thin. 10th question. List the condition favorable to life on the earth. Again, the air, water and land. Here you will explain also how the air, what is the composition. You will explain this question. Now explain the following term. Terrestrial planet. Given the answer on the page number 17 very nicely it was given. This was given as a terminology, content analysis in the brief. Point was given, the topic. Point was given. From there only you will write. The second, the oxygen cycle given on page number 16. The unique planets, again the answer 1 you will write here. The water cycle, again you will write from the page number 16 it was given. Biosphere, it was given on the page number 17, very nicely it was given in the page number 17, biosphere, that you will write. Environment, the sixth one, environment, page number 17. Atmosphere, page number 12, very nicely it was given. Now give reasons are there. The earth is only the habited planet because air, water and land is present. Earth's shape is geoid because the poles are flattened. The south pole is more flatter than the north pole. The earth is a home of mankind because air, water and land present on the earth. Take the correct answer. The first one, earth orbit lies between the A option, Venus and Mars. The amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere is 21%. The earth biosphere is also called a ecosystem. The earth biosphere is, next question. The average distance of the earth from the sun is 115 million kilometer. The earth completes one revolution in 365 and 1 by 4 days. This is all about your question answer. Thank you.